to make this charm, you will need 5 pin bars, which is 2 looms. So if you only have 1 loom, you can still make this charm, but you will need to do a transfer. And I don't think that I'll be doing a tutorial for this with 1 loom. You also need a hook and 21 rubber bands. I'm not sure how many this is, but I will count them out. Then, okay, so here are some of the bows that I've made. I made this purple one, which is the glow-in-the-dark jelly purple. Made this one, which is the purple and the pink from like all the regular pink, and this light pink from the mixed skin cones package. And I also made this one with the bubble bands from Claire's. That's where I got the bubble. That is where I got the bubble bands. And these bubble bands are really pretty, but they break very easily. One of these bands, I think, is, yeah, see this one? This one's broken. This orange one right here, broken. So, yes, it's barely staying together. But I don't really like this one. But, since the bubble bands are very, like, thicker, it's way bigger than this one, as you can see. But, anyway, so now we can get started. You want the red arrows to be pointing away from you. So, and you also want your loom to be in this arrow shape. So, you will not be using that many pins, only like this much. So you can start anywhere in the loom. I'm just going to start from the beginning. So, we will only be using single bands, never doubling the bands. Alright, we're never using double bands. So just go straight 3 times on the left and right pin bars. Like that. Now, you're going to take 1 band and go from the second pin in. Do the same on the top pin. So go down. Do the same on the right side. So go in on the bottom, then in on the top. Go in again on all of the pins. So it's like a big X. Like that. So now this is like the outline of the bow. And now we have to fill in these little areas. Take 1 band, start from this middle bottom pin, go to the upper left on the left side. Middle bottom, go up. Then you're going to go from the middle top pin and go to the bottom left. Now you're going to do the same thing on this side, but mirrored, I guess. So it's like, yeah, like it's the same, but instead of going from this one here, you're going to go to this one to the top right. Then you're going to go up. You're going to go from this top one to the bottom right, like that. Now you're going to place 1 more band in the middle, and you're just going to make a cap band. Make sure, actually it's not a cap band, it's a triple looped cap band. So just make a cap band, then loop it around 1 more time. So it should be 3 loops. Now we're going to start the hooking process. Turn your loom around so the red arrows are pointing towards you. You're going to go in this cap band, grab the top band, and hook it out. Go back in the cap band, grab the top band, and hook it out. Oops. If it accidentally does not get on your pin, just go back in the cap band, like circle around it so the band will drop. Then you're going to go back in the cap band, just the cap band though. You're going to grab the band, hold the pin so the band does not come off the pin, and then pull the band through the cap band, and then you can put it back on the pin. Like that. Then go back in the cap band, grab the top band, and hook it out. Like that. Then go back on the cap band, and since you only have one more band, you're just going to grab the bottom band and hook it out. Like that. So now you're going to go, you're going to be looping these little triangles. You can do whatever side you want first, but I'm just going to be doing the left first. So go in, grab the second band, and you're just going to hook it out. Grab the second band again, and hook it up. Then go on this top pin. You're going to be grabbing this band. I don't really know where it is, but what I like to do is, okay, I'm just going to make it be closer so you can see better. Just for this little part. You're just going to, okay, you see these bands, when you see this, if you stretch these bands out, you can see this band. That's the band you're going to grab. You're just going to pull it out, like that. Now you're going to go on the bottom pin, grab the bottom band, tuck it out, do the same for the top. So, grab the top, on the top middle pin, bottom band, hook it out. Then go to the bottom pin, bottom band, hook it up, bottom band, hook it up, and do the same for this top one. Just like that. So now you are done with this half, and we're gonna do the right half. So it's basically just the same. Go in, this bottom middle pin, grab the second band, hook it out, grab the second band again. I like to, if you see there's like this little triangle shape, you can grab this one, that's the right band, and then hook it up. Then go on this middle top pin, grab this band, again this is the hard one, and hook it out. Now you're going to go on this middle bottom pin, grab the bottom band, and hook it out to the bottom. Go in this pin, grab the bottom band, and hook it out. Like that. Now you're just going to hook this single chain up. This one does have a lot of bands, so make sure that you grab the very bottom band and hook it up. Just like that. So, once you're done, your loom should look something like this. And we're going to be making slip knots on these two pins. So if you don't, I'm going to show you how to make that. So I'm just going to be from the side so it's easier for you to see. You're going to grab this bottom band, bring it up, and let go of it. So it should look like this. And then you're going to grab this band, do not let go of it, take it off the pin and pull on it. Then let go. And then if it's still kind of loose, just pull on it with your fingers. If your bands are pretty tight, like they don't stretch out very well, just leave it like that, then just put it back on the pin, then you can stretch it out more later. Or just put a C-clip on it. You can also, if you do not want to make a slip knot, you can just put a C-clip on these two bands, on both sides. I'm going to be making slip knots though, so bottom band, up and over, grab this band and pull on it. Just like that. So now you can take your charm off the loom. I just took my bow off the loom and it looks super cute and I did not mess up, luckily, because I have messed up several times. And so now we're going to tuck in these bands so then you can't see them. But if you want them out, then you can just leave them, but I'm just going to tuck them in. So go to the back of your bow, just go in some bands, some random bands, grab the slip knot, and pull it through. Like that. Do the same on the other side. Like that. So now you have made your bow charm. I hope you enjoyed this video. And by the way, if you do have an Instagram account, if you do have an Instagram account, we do have an Instagram account. So I will have a link to this. I will have a link. Sorry, I cannot talk today. I will have a link in the description box to our Instagram account. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.